Alright guys, when to harvest your carrots. How to tell your carrots is ready, guys. So this is my greenhouse. I got a carrots in the corner here. So the very simple way, guys, how to tell if your carrots is ready, I'm gonna show you so you guys know. Look at that right there. Guys, right there, your carrots will let you know when it's ready. When it's sticking out half an inch to an inch out, I would say inch more, it's better. Some of them are not ready to harvest here, but I need this area, so I might be pulling it out. So I'm gonna show you guys just pulling out this one right here. My daughter's here assisting.
Whoa!
And that's the excitement of my daughter.
It's big.
So you guys see that? So we're gonna come here. So they're easy to pull out. Let's show you guys. So these guys are the rainbow mix carrot, and we're gonna. You go ahead, Grace. We're gonna let Grace pull out a couple. So,
oh my God.
okay, we're gonna show everyone. So guys, that's a purple one. So sometimes they're small, they're shaped different. Okay, put it in there. So guys, when you're growing carrots, you want to make sure you have loose soil so the carrots grows downward. And you want to make sure you have no breaks or no hard soil or anything. So we're gonna pull out everything because we need this area. Keep going, keep going. Let's show everyone. Nice. Go ahead, put it in. So we got our little basket right there. Oh, you see, they're all getting a little twist coming in. So you have regular carrots, and then you have the regular orange carrots, and then you guys have the rainbow like this. Rainbows like orange, pink, purple, yellow, all this kind of weird color. Whoa, that's like a yellow one.
It is yellow.
All that. I love it, guys. This is fun. Look. Guys, I'm telling you, fresh carrots from your garden. Whoa, look at that. Imagine I put fresh soil and I dug down deep so these guys could run. And even that, they're just like twisting. They didn't even run straight. It's just weird, you know? It's a little baby one. My pet pig is gonna love this. I'm sorry about the camera, guys. But, remember, guys, you know, let them pop out at least an inch out. Oh,
It's a yellow.
look at this one, guys. Hold on. 1 second, guys. Now, this
Is it just a yellow?
is weird.
Yellow.
It's yellow, but it's weird. So, oh, look, twinsies. Oh, that is awesome. So this is another strange, we got some strange carrots, guys. Oh, we got a straight one. Whoa. The last one is a straight orange one.
Don't.
That's awesome,
I'm
guys.
gonna hold it.
There you go, guys. All different size, shape, colors. So we got pink, purple, yellow, white, orange, all kind, guys. And a lot of carrot leaves. Guys, you'll find some big, some small, and pretty cool. You know, my daughter's excited, and nothing beat a fresh carrots, guys. Now, these things, the yellow ones, if you guys could see, look at the yellow one. It's so weird and strange, but it's funny, you know, it's amazing, and it's pretty cool and awesome when you harvest. Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden. If you're new, subscribe, guys. 100% free. Click the bell icon. Every time you guys click the bell icon, you get a notification said I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys next time on GreenTGarden. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we're carrot out.